Hello and welcome back. Today we will be making a teriyaki chicken rice bowl. Before we begin, let me know if you've ever made a rice bowl before. I absolutely love rice bowls. There are so many different types, it's great. Anyway, let's dive in. To get started, I will be using 3/4 cup of jasmine rice with 2 cups of water, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir well and start the rice cooker. This rice cooker takes an hour, so I need to start this first. For the sauce, we will be starting with 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey. And set your chicken out about 30 minutes before you start cooking. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of flour. Mix well in a small bowl. You do not want any clumps of flour left, and set this aside for later. For the veggies, we will julienne 1/2 of a carrot. Julienne 1 small bell pepper. If you're still with me, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how the recipe's going for you so far. Would you make it exactly like this or add your own twist? Let's chat in the comments. Then we will dice 1/4 of a yellow onion. For the chicken, I am using 1 large chicken breast cut into 4 smaller pieces. We will season this well with pepper and salt on each side. In your pan, add a tablespoon of oil and let it heat up until the oil has thinned. Once your pan is hot, add your chicken to let it cook. We will cook the chicken for about 3 minutes on each side. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our adventures from around the world right here on YouTube. As we travel, the kitchens and appliances we use are always changing. So my goal is to bring you simple, delicious recipes you can easily make at home. No fancy gadgets required. If you'd like to join us on our travels, check out our other channel, travel with us for life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. Once that is done, place it on a cutting board to rest for 5 minutes, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Alright, let's cook the vegetables now. I did end up adding a handful of small broccoli florets in as well. Add your salt and pepper and any other seasoning you would like. Stir occasionally, as this will be sautéing for 5 minutes. I love cooking, and I hope you're finding this recipe just as fun and easy to make. If there's a dish you've seen that you'd like me to simplify, drop it in the comments. I'm always on the hunt for new ideas to put my own twist on. Who knows, your suggestion might be my next video. Set the vegetables aside to be plated shortly. Add a little more oil to the pan, then add your chicken back and cook for 1 minute. After that, add the sauce we made at the beginning. Cook this for 3 minutes or until it thickens while stirring occasionally. Now, time for the best part, eating. Enjoy this delicious rice bowl, and if you have any other suggestions on different rice bowls or anything else, please let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and if you have gotten any value out of this, please like this video and subscribe. It's a free and easy way to help support this channel. Thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye!